Good day, Allscan12 here. I trust you are well. In this video, I am going to attempt to install this 12-inch Fusion subwoofer with built-in amplifier myself, which I bought from someone on Facebook Marketplace. It is used one but still in great condition. I bought it cheap with all the cables included but with missing inline fuse unfortunately. The seller might have forgotten to remove it, but anyway, I bought a set of cables, amplifier kit with everything I need for just £6. The inline fuse only if you buy it separately will cost £4. Therefore, I decided to grab the full kit instead with just £2 difference since I may need to extend my power cable anyway. So here are the additional tools and things you will be needing in this DIY job. Let's get started. In order to penetrate the power cable to your car firewall, you need to search for a grommet. And I would suggest searching for one that is closer to your battery. In our car, the battery is on the passenger side, or the left side. I started by removing the bent panel trim and saw the big grommet where all the cables are passing through the firewall. I took my drill bit and started drilling a hole by turning the drill bit slowly by hand. You will feel it when it penetrates through the grommet. Now, the difficult part is how to push the cable to that hole in the grommet that I've just created. I remember the trick I used when I was installing my rear LED lights, and that was by using the metal straw. So I inserted the metal straw, and I encountered another problem. My power cable is too big to pass through the metal straw. What I did is to insert a smaller cable long enough that I can pull it from the engine side. Then from inside, I spliced in with insulation tape my power cable. And I am now ready to pull the cable from the engine side, and after a few minutes, there you have it. The power cable is ready now to get connected to the inline fuse, then to the positive side of the battery. But before I do that, I will connect my RCA cables to my aftermarket radio first. Since the RCA plugs are color-coded, it was not difficult to know where I should plug them in. Next, for the blue cable, this has to be connected to the radio power cable, which is the red one, to give signal to the amplifier to turn on when you turn the radio on. Make sure to disconnect your negative battery first before starting to connect the power cable to the positive side of the battery. And once everything is connected, let's give it a try.